issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ford County and east central Illinois, southwestern Iroquois County and east central Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Gibson City and moving east at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Paxton around 1:05 p.m., Buckley around 1:15 p.m., Cisna Park around 1:25 p.m., Claytonville around 1:30 p.m., Interstate 57 between mile markers 263 and 273. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure and stay away from windows until this storm has passed. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The following is